So in less than 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how I landed a $1,200 job using. So the platform I used was Twitter, right? A lot of you guys use Twitter to talk shit. A lot of you guys use Twitter to post porn or watch porn. People are using to make millions of naira. So what I did on Twitter is, first of all, I'm a web designer. I build websites for people. So on Twitter, there are people that are typing and looking for web designers every day. So you can see I'm already typed in one of these. So what you can just do is type this into your search bar and maybe go to latest. This is what you need to do. Then start scrolling. You start seeing people posting jobs for web designers. Pardon the dog sound in the background. See, look at this. I've literally scrolled for less than how many seconds, right? And I've seen a job. See, I need a web designer for a Web3 landing page. So how do you now apply for this job, right? First of all, open the person's profile. Let me put this in the new tab. Right? You can see this here. So what you want to do, this person's DM is closed, but if the person's DM was open, how do you DM them? The first thing you want to do is comment under their page, right? Comment under their page and say something like, hey. What you want to say is, hey, I saw you were looking for a web designer. No, don't comment. Comment under their page and say something like, for example, look at this tweet. Who go buy me Busypedia, right? So it's just catching cruise, right? So you can say something like, comment under their post, under that Busypedia page, say, have you buying for you? I just DM'd you. Don't that is deceptive. But say something like, oh, Busypedia for where? Like, shall check your DM, something like that. Just to make them know that you have DM'd them. So now they'll check their DMs like, oh, who is this guy? They'll now see that you have applied to the job. So what you now say in the DM, now say something like, hi, whatever his name is, Frank. I saw you were looking for a website designer. I would love to help you out with your project. Do you mind if I send some of my past projects? No, what people always do is you just send the links. No, don't send that. Ask them for permission. So you make it easy for them to say yes. Do you understand? And that reason is that if you don't ask for permission and you send the links, that link will make it enter spam, right? And it will affect your account, affect the DM. The DM may not be seen easily. So those are the easy ways. Another thing you can do is, for example, somebody that his name is Franklin, this username. Yes or no? Do you think this person will use the same username on all platforms? Probably yes. So how do you now check that? Go to your Instagram, go to your search bar, type in the username. Okay, that is not here, but most people, they have the same usernames on all platforms, right? So go to his Instagram, DM him there. Go to, just use 2 platforms, maximum 3, maybe Facebook, just to make sure he has seen it. Do you understand? So this guy is probably trolling because look at his profile. His whole profile is just like trolling, see porn actors, talk my but like use the same principle. And this I got $1,200 jobs, 1,700, 300, 700. I've made probably close to 30K using Twitter, right? Over 2-3 years, right? So it's not as if it's once, but this is what I did. So like I said, smash the like button and follow for more content like this because I'm dropping the best content on how to get jobs, how to find clients as a remote worker, web designer, graphic designer, whatever skill you do, freelancer. So smash the like button and follow my page for more content like this. Also, if you want to join my academy, link in the description. The academy is going to help you go from 0 to getting your first paying job in 4 to 6 weeks. If you follow the advice in the academy, you do all the job applications required and you don't get a job, full refund. So link in the description to get into. The price is going up this week. So I don't know, whatever time you're watching this, just know that the price might have gone up. So take the step and move in right now. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.